every time. Every time.
Yeah.
This is why it's so hard to film
Jet
outside.
is very loud, and there's multiple.
All right.
So what are we doing today?
We are going to have our maiden voyage of the drone.
Yep.
And the jets are coming back.
Yeah. So let's go to the view.
Fly
Look
time.
at this
Mug.
new camera.
That mug. Look at that mug.
Now look how quick this focuses.
Run, Forrest, run. So we found a pretty decent sized field here. We are going to test it out because there is nothing, no trees, no power lines, nothing that John can fly it into, right?
Well, I'd hope I'm not going to fly it into anything.
Well, we shall see.
First, the controller.
I'm really scared that we're gonna lose these little bad boys.
Well, I think that's why DJI sends you extras.
What's in your Yeti cup?
Tea.
Oh, tea, sweet tea.
Sweet tea.
Because we're in the South. Anyone know what that symbol is right there? Did you break it already?
Doesn't work with the phone case.
That sounds much better.
Okay. I've already kind of played with this in the house and done all the software updates and everything, so we should be ready to fly.
John says this thing is supposed to stop on a dime, so he's flying it at my head. Woo! Look at that stop.
Like playing a video game.
Like playing a video game. Well, you heard it here, folks. What are you making it do? Huh?
I'm making it go around us, but it needs like a really
bigger
wide
radius. Because it thinks it's going to run into the playground. Well, I think that flying a drone is a lot like putting mascara on. So ladies, you'll understand what I'm talking about. You have to have your mouth slightly open to do it effectively. So you're doing active track and having it follow you?
Yep. We're going to see how well it does.
It's following you.
I wonder what it does if I run at it. Back up.
It goes backwards.
We are testing the anti-crash sensors that it has in it, and it's supposed to brake before it gets to any object or do the avoidance and go over it. So right now we have it turned on to brake, so it should stop without cutting our heads off. But I am maxed out. It does not allow you to go turn on the bypass. And then when I go forward,
He's doing the automatic return home feature. And it worked.
With the automatic return home, if you push the home button, it goes back to the point where it last took off from.
So don't push automatic return if you have walked far away from your drone, because it will go back to wherever you started.
To where you originally lifted off. Yeah. Okay, what are you gonna do?
So I'm going to fly this, hopefully.
Okay, do you know how?
No. I mean, I'll figure it out, but
Okay.
I just need to get it up in the air first. This one, right?
Yep,
The
press
up.
the takeoff button.
Okay.
Now hold it down.
Up, and there it goes. What's it saying?
It's beeping because you're at low altitude. Go
Yeah,
up.
no, but there's a aircraft incoming is what it said. So apparently it tells you when aircrafts are coming.
Well, right now it's said it's not going to go above 60 meters because we're in a fly zone for military? Your mouth's not open.
Because I'm very skilled. I feel like I need to walk wherever it walks. Or goes, flies, not walks.
Morgan has been flying the drone for a while now. I think I've given up my new toy and it has now become hers. Just like everything else. Yeah. I'm gonna have to steal my toy back.
Come on down. Oops, forward. I'm gonna go home. Ooh, there's our house.
Where are you going?
Well, oops. Yeah, I should definitely not fly this over water yet. Okay, turn it. Yep, there's our house now. Straight forward there, drone. What are we gonna name it?
Wally.
Wally! Come on down. Oh, there's our house right now. Return home.
You can, or you can land it right there.
How do you land it right there? Home or what?
Press the same button that you used to take off.
But it says
Yep.
home.
Yep.
Okay.
And then land.
Land.
No, you have to hold it down.
Oh.
There you go.
They make this thing pretty idiot proof.
Yeah.
Like, I can't believe it's a 16 and up. I mean, well, it's very expensive, so 16 and up would probably be a good idea, but I think anybody, a toddler, could fly. I can fly it, so anyone can fly it.
Did you have fun?
I did have fun. FYI, if you have it in sport mode and fly it at someone, it does not stop on its own. It will take your head off. Jonathan.
Wow.
Where are you going with it? There's power lines. I didn't want you to bring it down. So what's that mean?
So when the battery goes low, it'll tell you in 10 seconds the drone is returning home, which is what it's doing right now.
It's automatically parking itself.
Yeah.
How much battery time did we get?
We got 49 minutes total.
Of battery time.
Yeah, of flight time.
That's really good.
Yeah.
And that's only on one battery, and we have 3 more, so.
Did you have fun?
I did have a lot of fun. That is That is a fun toy.
An expensive toy.
Yeah.
What was it? Right around, just so you guys know, at the time of making this video, we got it for just under $1,000.
We also got the Black Friday deal, and it was like the, what was it? The something extra
the
pack.
extended flight package.
Extended flight package.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the extended flight package comes with 2 extra batteries and 2 extra sets of rotors.
So it was a really good deal for what we got, because the batteries themselves, isn't it like $130 for a battery?
$149 for one battery.
Yeah, so it came with a bunch of batteries. So like that there right there saved us a lot of money, plus the extra rotors and all that stuff.
Yep.
ND filters are expensive also.
Yeah, and it comes with 3 ND filters, so you get 16, 64, and 256, I think.
Yeah, which is really, really dark. I am really impressed. I did not think I would be able to fly it.
Yeah.
And I could totally fly it.
Congratulations.
I about flew it into an RV though, didn't I?
Yes you did.
Because I was too busy looking at the little screen on the controller, and like you have to be well aware of like looking up and at the screen all at the same time, because you can only see on the screen what the camera sees in front of it, not on the sides of it. So
yeah, and that's why they put the active crash avoidance on it. Theoretically, you're not supposed to be able to crash it into anything. Now, I'm sure if you like forced it into like tree limbs or something, because it's not going to register anything that's small, it has to have some mass to it, and it'll avoid it. But
I don't think it would have actually hit the RV.
I don't know.
But I don't want to test it.
It's got a sensor on the front, a sensor on the back, and 2 on each side.
Had he not been standing next to me, I probably would have tested it today to find out.
Don't be breaking my stuff, man.
I didn't mean to.
Listen.
Your stuff? What do you mean? It's mine now. I like it.
So she said when we bought it that if I crashed it, I wasn't allowed to get another one. What's the stipulation if you crash it?
If I crash it, I'm allowed to get another one. That's how that works.
Okay. You're going to have to go stand on the street to pay for it.
Well, gotta do what you gotta do.
All right, you want to wrap it up?
There's a truck stop across the street. Yeah?
You done?
Yeah. No, I'm not done. I'm never done.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some enjoyment out of this. I know we did. So until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Later.
Bye, guys.